Well, we found an unusual amount of small foods, baby carrots, baby corn, and some fingerlings, which are basically baby potatoes.
The garden was recently ravaged by a weevil blight. So at this point, we're just left with a large variety of onions.
So we only have dirt, vegetables, and baby food?
Well, what did you guys find?
Feast your eyes on this.
A talking text?
Ravage. To damage something very badly.
But why?
We pay every resident $1,000 to allow the oil companies to ravage our state's natural beauty.
I'm home.
Oh.
Blight. A disease that damages and kills plants.
The Lake Michigan landfill was once such a blight on our city, and now will be reclaimed for the storage of robotic workers. It's just
Feast your eyes. To look at someone or something with great enjoyment.
Feast your eyes, Patrick.
What is it?
The paddy wagon.
Reaper bots? Really?
It's true! They're stealing all our plants and harvesting them for their own!
We saw it ourselves!
That's ridiculous. They're the best thing that's happened to us since we left Earth.
They're the only thing that's happened to us.
Hello, friends. You look parched. We converted this terrible sour fruit into a sweet and refreshing drink especially for you.
Reap. To cut and collect a grain crop.
Now it's time to reap and re-sow.
Harvest. To pick and collect crops or plants.
All right, people, we got a lot of tomatoes to harvest today. We gotta pick them, we gotta sort them, we gotta eat them, but most important...
Parched. Extremely thirsty.
And you! Why, you're just as dried up and parched as a jackrabbit in July. So you belly on up and take you a double shot.
Wow, those robots really had us fooled.
It's like my father always told me. If someone's being nice to you, they probably have ulterior motives. Sorry we didn't believe you guys.
It's okay, Benson.
Yeah, no hard feelings. Not everyone's as smart as we is.
Let's get to the control room.
Fool. To trick someone into believing something that is not true.
I can't believe we are waltzing right up to the factory. Sully, a mop, a couple of lights, and some chair fabric are not gonna fool anyone. Just think about a few...
Ulterior motive. A secret purpose or reason for doing something.
Authorities are still confounded as to why the elderly man drove his van into the crowded bus stop, and we are told that there is no obvious ulterior motive.
Jess, this has gone too far. I mean, look at this thing. It's unnatural.
Don't you dare say that about our baby.
Ever since we got to space, these experiments have gotten further and further out of control. It needs to stop. And this abomination needs to be destroyed.
You'll never take my baby away from me. Never!
Experiment. A test done in order to learn something.
The lab was devoted to experiments involving PX41, a transmutation serum. What is PX41?
Abomination. Something that is extremely offensive or unacceptable.
Wow, that was the worst piece of crap I've ever seen.
Oh my God, that was an abomination. That was awful.
My ass is actually...